Hello, welcome back. I just recorded a video, realized my microphone was off, so the sound was terrible. There we are. Anyway, so, welcome back. It is the end of the month, it's the end of March, and it's also the end of the quarter. So, this is going to be the long quarterly video. We've got 15 minutes, hope you're doing about 12. We'll see. Right, so I'm kicking off with the dividends. I've been looking at the portfolio. I'm also going to show you how much I'm actually down in terms of my own cash. This is the net deposits, right? So deposits minus withdrawals, this is my net deposit. Now if we take the value of the portfolio, as you see here, which is the portfolio plus any cash I've got on holding, take that, take the net deposit value away from that, and that gives you what you up, where you're down or up, right? That's basically how that works. So, kick off the month, we had a dividend from AEW for £8. GCP Infrastructure Investments for £24. Virgin Money paid £7. And then we've got VPC Special Lending £19. And we've got some of the new ETFs I put in. We got one or two of each in a minute. So 22 pence from Vanguard FTSE 100. 15 pence from Vanguard FTSE 250. Vanguard UK Gilt, which is the UK government bond, that's a monthly payer, so I've now currently got 2 paying. Once the USD Treasury kicks in, that's 3, should be. And then iShares FTSE 250, 9p, and the iShares Core 100, 5p. Now the reason being, I got 2 different types of these UK FTSE payers. It's because one lot is quite more expensive than the other, so if I can get a good amount of a dividend per price on say 1 or 2 of these compared to 1 or 2 of these, I'll keep the one which I got better dividend amount. So basically works out as the percentage average across the year. So we take that times say the number of 4 payments compared to the price. I might have a winner one of these. Potentially looks like FTSE 250 I can keep, but then just keep maybe this one. There's quite a bit of difference and do it from there. Then 2 more then came in, which was £8.35 from PIMCO your short term. High corporate bond. That's the main monthly pay I've got, but we'll see I've got a couple more now. And then we finished off with Renewables Infrastructure Group of £70.95. £17.95 I should say. So I would tell you the total dividends, but that also includes a return of capital of 1,035. So I've given up trying to work. I could do it, but you know, we'll see, right? Anyway, so that gave me £85.36 for March, and a total of £241.42 for the quarter. Now, if we take that 214 divided by 3, that's 71.33 at an average for each month. That's not bad, certainly better than £50. So, on course at least for, what's that, 71 times 12, oh, 70 times 12, average. On course £840 at minute. So, I was hoping for 1,000 last year. Just came under it. In fact, I think it worked out just for the year, for the calendar year, it's just under 1,000, and then maybe just under 900. I think it was just under 900. If I look at my fiscal year, which is 23rd of Feb to 22nd of Feb, could be a bit different, but I'm just going to calendar years and all this sort of stuff anyway. So that's that. The portfolio is as the awful is. So that figure by here isn't as bad as it was last month, and not all of this is actually money that I've paid in. So I actually paid in a net, I've got it by here, of £13,094.64 as of Tuesday last week, right? Well, week just this week still. It's the 30th. I paid on Tuesday, right? Today's Saturday, by the way. So as you can see, there's a total of 16,020 there. There's also some extra funds here. What have I got in cash? I've got 476 in cash, right? So there's still more money that can be paid in. So not all this by here is the full amount. So what I've figured out is this. if I take the portfolio, well, the account value, because that's your portfolio, that's your account value, right? So portfolio value is 12,232. This is the account. If I take that amount, 12,708.94, take away the deposit amount, which is more than the account value, so therefore I'm going to reflect a loss. It's not more than, it's a less than, so it's going to reflect a loss. Take away the 13,094.64. I am left with a loss of £385.70. That's much better than saying, oh, I've lost £3,000. Of my own money, I've only lost 385, which is about a tenth, just a little over a tenth, right? It's not too bad. Obviously, if you looked at it as a whole, that's terrible. But, you know, in terms of what I've paid in, that's not too bad at all. In fact, the other day I worked out 600 odd. So, this will cover quite a bit the last couple of days, actually. Don't know what was going on entirely, but there we are. So, it looks bad, but it's not too bad in terms of my own fund. However, a lot of this is what we'll retain from capital gains and the dividends coming in. So it did all work. And then we have a look at a quick look at portfolio. We've only on 6 minutes 34. That is damn good. That is damn good. So, kicked off with Aberdeen. Aberdeen is down £345.19. I've got 650 shares. AW is down 55.20. I've got 500 shares. AG Bar is new win. Also, by the way, Virgin Money is out after it popped on good news. Well, merger news. Merger Nationwide. Sounds like it's going through. Sounds like Nationwide shareholders approved of it the other day. So it sounds like it's going to go ahead. So I've sold that with £179 profit. Alright, I actually took £100 out to help with monthly bills. So I got a little pot of money that pays 2 monthly bills, popped in there just to sort of make use of good times, basically. Assura is down, AG Bar is up £7.40, Assura is down £407.52, Barclays is up £64.87. Now I am considering selling this if it goes above a 25% return. I should have done that with Lloyd's, but I sold Lloyd's and Lloyd's shot up quite a bit. I thought it was going to go back up and come back down, to be honest, last time. Maybe fooled on that one, so we'll see. We'll have a look on sexy what the prices are now. Ecora is down 463. That's 1,200 shares there. 250 shares of Barclays, by the way, and 2,200 shares of that. Not my most biggest holding, but it's quite up there. Facilities by ADF is down £19.50. We've got 300 shares. In fact, they're on the 51.50. I might add to them. I don't know. They are down 11%. I tend to try and add to stuff that's down 10%. So it's not down 2, 3, and that sort of stuff. But it depends. I'll certainly add more to the ETFs because over time you're not going to get the greatest swings on them, so that's fine by me. Foresight Solar Fund is back in. That's only down £15.80. Got 100 shares of that. GCP Infrastructure is down 277.94 on 1,400 shares. Greencoat UK Wind is back. That's 100 shares. That's £3.90. Hypnosis Songs Fund is down £421.80. Sorry, 28. I don't know if I'm going to add to this one yet, simply because they've had a few issues. We know it's 2 billion. Yeah, we know it's 2 billion. Oh, they may have actually. Well, no, I think they may have. Looks like they may have actually produced something there. It's not about the 2 billion mark anyway. Yeah, basically they took some legal action, right? They've had some issues with I think it's something to do with a previous advisor, some of a previous management group or something like that. So they cancelled their dividend last year. The last one they paid, which was like October ex-div, and that got cancelled. I think it was January, so that got taken on the account. which I wasn't expecting, but still shows as their as an amount they paid. So I'll just show you very quickly. If I go to history, it still shows they paid the dividend, even though it's been taken back. So I'd like to see Welcome Break actually, Welcome Break, Trading212 actually reverse that and wipe it from the history, but they haven't. So I just got to remember that one got cancelled. Anyway, FTSE iShares Core is up 28p. The FTSE 250 is up 54p. Marshalls is new win with 20 shares. That's at 48. Pimco still only the 10 shares added to that, so there's 30. That's down £30.24. Very stable, doesn't move much. Primary Health 1300 shares, down £349.73. RACI is staying at 1,000 shares. I may pick up some more just to try and even it out a bit, but I get £30 every quarter from them. I'm happy. £280.79 they're down. Regional REIT has actually recovered from the near 70% that was down. I think at one point hit 1,000 down and then came back up. So they're only down £840.65. Got 2,800 shares now. So we see how that goes. Apologies for sound outside. I think someone's having a garden next door. Oh no, it might be the recycling bins actually. That does catch me. That's quite loud sometimes. And then we've got, where are we? Renewables infrastructure. That's 1,050 shares. I need to add some more of these. So £1 certainly. 159.45 they're down. Severfield, which is a new win. That's up £1 for 100 shares. Treat is a new one. They do food chemicals, food flavours, that sort of stuff. £3.50 they're up for 20 shares, and then we've got the Vanguard ones up £1.37 for the FTSE 100. The FTSE 250 is up 77 pence. The UK Gilt is at 26p. The Treasury bond, USD Treasury bond, which is due to start paying out this month now, should be, is up 42p. And then VPC special lending is down to 105. Now I'm trying to work to a £1,500 maximum investment for most of these at the time being, and I can certainly add to this, so that is part of the plan there. And we're 12 minutes 35. So thank you for watching. Thank you for those of you who are returning subscribers as well. They've jumped up a bit last couple of videos. That's nice to see. If you do happen to like what I do, it's some sort of entertaining way, just feel free to give the video a like. Otherwise, if you think I'm terrible and nobody should have watches other than you, because like then don't worry about it. These videos are not made to make money in any way, shape or form. Always like when people say, oh, I'm a millionaire, I got lots of money, don't need it. Oh, by the way, buy my book. Yeah, because then you're going to just make you richer. Especially the bang on about, oh, this is free, this free series, yeah, wonderful stuff, go check out this, that and the other. Oh, I got a new book coming up, by the way. You can buy that if you want to, because I'm rich anyway, I'm worth a few million, but now I'm going to have a book which will hopefully make me some more. It's always some catch with them, so, and you'll never have me producing a book or getting some sort of sponsor or anything like that. So that's that. I will see those who come back next month. Have a good April. Hope you have some nice sunshine. Hope you have some good investing and trading if that's your sort of thing as well. Till then, goodbye.